everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am in my kitchen again. Surprise! I am ready to tackle my refrigerator. It is a complete disaster. Yes, disaster. I got some things from Home Goods to help me organize it, and so I am so excited to show you guys the entire process: decluttering, cleaning out, organizing. Come along with me. Oh, but really quick before I get into that, you guys have to check out my shirt. So cute. Some people dream of meeting their favorite player. I'm raising mine. I got this on vacation. My son has soccer practice tonight. My other son's a baseball player. So I'm actually raising both of my favorite players. But I just love it, so I had to show you guys it. Okay, so here's what I got from Home Goods. Starting off, I got these 2 bins. And then I got 3. These are actually the same. Well, these 2 are, I don't even know that brand. And then I got this one and this brand because they didn't have 3 of them in this one. So anyways, they're pretty much the same, like identical. You can't even really tell. The only difference is that this one was $1 more. Then I got this can organizer for nothing other than my bubblies and this big bin. So let's see what we can do with this. Here it is, guys. When I said a disaster, I wasn't kidding. And I really wish that I would have cleaned this out before I got groceries today, because now I have that on top of what I already had shoved in here. But in my defense, I've been a very busy mom and wife. Like I mentioned in my grocery haul, my husband had dental surgery, and so I've been putting my priorities first, and my husband is definitely top of the list. Now that he's feeling better and he's back at work, my kiddos are in school, let's get this fridge done. First things first, I'm gonna take out everything old. Actually, I might take out everything because it needs to all come out so I can clean it out. It's gonna take me a while. Potatoes and mac and cheese for the hubby. Did you hear that? That sounds great. Just in case you're wondering what my kitchen looks like right now, got my little soapy sink full of dishes that I'm clearing out from the fridge. And I'm wiping out my containers to use in the fridge. And that sticker is really hard to get off. And then also this sticker where the label was is very hard too. I just wiped it out. I don't have time to scrub this today, or at least not right now. No one's gonna see it. It's gonna be covered by cans, but still a little bit annoying. I'm running out of counter space. My lid in the fridge went out. It said, "You're taking way too long." And here's the soap I'm using for my soapy water. The Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scent. I just put some soap and some water and use that to clean up my fridge normally. Okay, so it's all wiped out. I had to put my produce and some things from my drawers on my shelves just so that I could clean out my drawers. I love these liners. They're so convenient. They're clean, but it's just like stained. But it's all wiped out. I like that you can take them out, shake them off like this. That's just like a mark. This too, it doesn't come off. But it's all clean and neat. Same with that. Then I got my doors all empty and clean. This is like a little spot. Something must have stained it. But they're all good to go. To set it back up and organize. And don't forget, when you buy drinks with the rings, cut them so no wildlife gets stuck in it. I'm done. Let me go ahead and show you my fridge. Drinks, my little container, and all our juice boxes, some dairy, different condiments and cottage cheese and things like that, eggs, fruit pouches, and some applesauces back there, yogurts. These are delicious. Those two. Leftover shelf, our water, some more yummy different treats in here. There's some condiments and things we don't use all the time back there. We got our lactose-free milk, orange juice, oat milk, and cran raspberry juice, also delicious. Fruit, veggies, all the lunch meat, cheese, butter, cream cheese, cheese sticks. And then we have whipped cream, peanut butter and jelly, some drinks in the door, and then also some different condiments, and coffee creamer because coffee is life. And of course, milk, an essential. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some inspiration from it to maybe clean and organize your own fridge. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and stay peaceful.